Okay, so you just need to go to our class, and I'm in student view, so this is what you should be seeing. I'm going to tell you to ignore this to-do list on the side because since you haven't logged in a while, it's going to be too confusing. So here's what you need to do. You log into our class, click on English. First, you check announcements. This is where I post all the information about Google Meet. So you can see I've been posting the whole week schedule, and then you can see I made a super helpful, amazing, and return help and online motivation video, and then I have Tuesday's Google Meets and today's Google Meets, all in announcements. So you can just click on it and you can see exactly what the schedule is and how to go in. So it's you go to Google Meet and click join and then put in the nickname that I give you, which is Frank. It'll always be Frank. You then, after you check announcements for the Google Meet times, you go to modules, and we're in week 7 right now, so you can scroll down. You just click the first thing, and I have a video explaining the entire week. I have objectives, success criteria, a to-do list with the due date, and then I also have the Google Meet schedule here as well, so you don't even have to check announcements if you don't want to. But this just explains how long everything will take, exactly what you need to do, how to do it. So the video is really helpful, and then as is the to-do list. So you might see like, oh my gosh, 5 things, but like this first one takes 5 minutes, this one takes 2 minutes, these will take an hour, and this will take an hour. So it's like 2 hours, 20 minutes max, which is way less than if we were in actual school, so that's kind of nice. So then you just go through. Weekly greetings are just like a fun way for us to hang out and be goofy together. And then you'll just go into, oh, here's the lesson. So you can do the writer's notebook. You can watch the video I made. You can look at this PowerPoint I made. Then you go into the assignment. And I've got the Google Meet schedule. It looks like you missed those, but lucky you, I record it and put it right here. So here's the other Google Meet, or the recorded Google Meet. So you can just watch it and pretend you're there. You just can't participate. But it's kind of nice. You still have me like guiding you through the whole thing. So this is how every single week looks. So even if, so you haven't done the last couple weeks, I would definitely like start where we left off, which was week 5. This looks big, but I already assigned this the previous week. You should have already started it or finished it, so you may not have to do that. So you've just got like a couple little assignments. These 2 discussions are not required, so you can skip them. But always just check the overview because that'll explain all that. So please come to my office hours. I want to work through things with you. I'm trying to make it like as organized as possible. Again, just go to modules, ignore the to-do list. That won't make sense since you've missed a lot. Just go to a week and just do the week. Go through it. And while it may look like a lot, I promise it's about 2 to 2.5 hours of work. If it's taking you longer than that, email me and I'll help you or waive parts of it. Like we'll make it work. Okay. Yeah, hopefully this helps. And hopefully you can come to one of my Google Meets sometime, like office hours, and we can meet, or you can come to a lesson. So yeah.